No, I didn't speak with Koeman yet. Actually, he's been involved in my recovery, coming to Rome to see me. When I was training in Holland, he come to see me. So the relation is good anyway. And yeah, now obviously he is coach of Barcelona, and me personally, I'm focused on Lyon because I'm here right now. So I can dream of big clubs, and we will see what happened. This season, obviously, it's disappointed that we don't play Champions League. For us, for the coach, for the team, for the president, for the city, for the fans, because they are used to that, and we have to play Champions League with our squad. So that's frustrating, to be honest.